In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your AMC Plus subscription on Roku. Step 1. Go to the Roku home screen. Press the home button on your Roku remote to navigate to the main screen. Step 2. Highlight AMC channel. Use the arrow keys to highlight the AMC app without opening it. Step 3. Open the options menu. Press the star or asterisk button on your remote to open the channel options menu. Step 4. Select Manage Subscription. Choose Manage Subscription from the options list. Step 5. Cancel Subscription. Select Cancel Subscription and confirm the cancellation when prompted. Step 6. An alternative method is to cancel via the Roku website. Go to my.roku.com and log into your account. Navigate to Manage Your Subscription and find AMC Plus, then click Unsubscribe and confirm your cancellation. Step 7 is to confirm your cancellation. You will continue to have access to AMC Plus until the end of your current billing period. Look for a cancellation confirmation email. Now I have some tips and notes for you. AMC subscriptions purchased via other platforms like Apple, Google Play or Amazon must be cancelled through those services instead of Roku. Canceling stops future billing but does not remove the AMC Plus app from your Roku device, so you will have to delete it separately. Keep confirmation emails for your records. And that is how you cancel your AMC Plus subscription on Roku. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.